Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on profile view history on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first thing that we will need to do is to go to our TikTok app. So just tap on the TikTok app and make sure that you are logged in. To do so, you will need just to click on the profile and you will need just to see your profile here. And basically, you will need just to go to your settings. And to do so, we click just on profile. And at the corner, we can see this profile views. And here, from here, we need just to turn it on so we can be able to see the people who are seeing our profile. And as you can see, there is also a gear icon. We click on the gear icon, and from here you can enable and disable the profile view history. So this is the easiest way. Another way is just to go to the settings. So from your profile, we will need just to go to the nav bar. You click on the navigation bar, and here we will find creator tools, balance, and if you have a professional account, you will see the business tools, and basically we will find at the bottom the settings and privacy. We click on settings and privacy, and here we will find the account settings, the content and display section, and the cache cellular section, etc. So we are interested in privacy, and here you can see private account and activity status, and you can see all the other privacy settings. And if we go to account, we can just go and you can see all the other account information. So basically, you will need just to go here to the activity status, so you can be able to view other people profiles, etc. So if you just read the description below, you will see when this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's activity and you will see each other status, etc. So let's just turn it on and make sure you have your profile view that is turned on too, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.